Hey there, besieged friends. Let's go back and do another awesome fodder test. So, I've got a vision of if I take my lawnmower or my tri-mower and I bring it back, I want to make it totally a mower. So to do that, I'm going to delete all the parts that were other weapons. So let's get rid of these by hitting X. And I'm going to delete the crossbows. I'm going to delete the drill. And then also, I'm going to raise these mowers all up so that they're less likely to hit on the ground and wreck my trike. I want the 2 block, and I'm going to go up, build one in the center. I'm going to go to the single block here just because I've already got the 2 block. And then I'm going to also put one on the back. I'm going to stick 2 blocks out each of these. Oops, didn't mean that. And then I'm going to grab my braces and strengthen them. Oops. Remember, Control Z is undo, which is handy dandy. And I'm going to put that on both sides of this one. Got supports underneath, got supports underneath that. We need to support this one, which I'm going to do the same way. I'm going to actually go diagonal on that piece. And this will be a good test to see whether that is better or worse. That one was an oops. I'll do another Control Z. And I'm going to do Control Z on that too because I want it to go to the top piece. It only takes a second, so I think I'm going to add those supports quick as well. And I'm going to go all the way across here, which will make my vehicle even a little more rigid. Let's scoot over to the mechanicals. Let's find the spinning block. Let's drop that spinning block underneath each of our lawnmower areas. And then let's go to our weapons and find the awesome circular saw. And then we just need to place the circular saws. And then remember, I also like to change the mapping so that they are twice as fast. And then we can copy that property and we can just paste it to the other ones, which is a nifty trick that I have not demonstrated in any of my other movies yet. Alright, let's drive through and see what we get. A little bit of forward, a little bit of back. Notice I blew up the stuff in the back. That was because the dudes got shot into the location. The blades, as before, are just chewing people up, which is really, really useful in this simulation. Oh, there I lost a wheel, which could be a problem. Let's see how close I can get to solving this with just 2 wheels. That does make it a lot trickier, but you can see now I've got no wheels. It still does have some movement, and if I can get to that back area, nope, I cannot get to the back area. I just lost the entire thing. Let's do spacebar and let's try again. This time I'm gonna keep going straight to get to the end of the path to make progress on the dudes in the back first. Holy cow, did I get my wheels kittywampus and that cost me. Spacebar, let's try again. Gotta be careful with the steering. When you get up in the air, it just really wreaks havoc on where you can go with my trike. I wonder if I've got my wheels backwards because I really don't steer as well as I want. There I lost a wheel. The beginning of the end again. Love the way this takes people out. Don't love the way I have trouble steering it. Not close. Let's try one more time. Trying to be more patient with my wheels. Make sure I've got the vehicle aimed where I want before I head off in that direction. Looks like I lost my front wheel, so now it's a rear wheel drive contraption. Let's see if I can get moving a little bit. How about we back up and do a small, we're going to cheat. I'm going to put in backup wheels. So if the front wheels come off, I've still got those. So they are not in play when we start, but if I need them later, they come into play. Zoom out so I can see a little better. Get my wheel straight and back up into that other area. And I have lost my center wheel, but now those front wheels are actually keeping me afloat. Just lost a bunch of big wheels. Too many arrows. Wonder if I should add some supports. Want to make sure I don't start on fire because this one looks like it's going to be the one that gets me the win. Come here, little peoples. Boy, when they get close, they do not have a chance against circular saws. And there's the lost wheel. Hey, conquered. And I didn't take out any of the archers. Alright, so I conquered. Now I'll just blow it up quick because that's always fun to watch. I'm going to try and conquer and get to the arrow people this time. Oh, started myself on fire. That's never a good thing. One more time. Still want to get to the arrow dudes. There we go. That was a pretty cool view. Not sure what made that dude jump so high, but wow. Having it right in the view at all, pretty sweet. This is the win that I was shooting for. Vehicle stayed intact. I've got all my wheels. Fun stuff. Can I wipe out everybody? I see one dude way back in the back still shooting arrows at me. Let's go get him. That does it. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, thanks for watching. If you got other ideas for how to tweak this, let me know in the comments. I think it looks pretty rigid. I think the trick was being patient and getting through and everybody. Still love this fodder. I'm going to take a break from it after today. But I just had to try and make this ultimate lawnmower. If you like the movie, please click that groovy little like. If you want to subscribe, please click that awesome subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a new movie, click the little notification bell. Thanks for watching and have a great day, friends.